Hello everybody, my name is Roy and welcome to Food Santa. I hope you guys are doing absolutely great. And today we are going to be cooking an epic combination of fish and dosa. The fish that you're looking at is called as vanjra locally and is known as seer fish across the world. Dosa that you're looking at is called as panpale or Neer dosa here in Karnataka. I want you guys to please try out this recipe at home and let us know in the comments your thoughts. And if you guys have any suggestions or feedbacks, please do let us know in the comments below and we will try our best to accommodate them. First, let's go over the ingredients that we need for the curry. Let's say 2 whole onions chopped, 2 tomatoes, coriander half a handful, curry leaves about 10 to 15, 5 green chilies, garlic about 10 to 15, chopped ginger 15 grams, red chili powder 2 tablespoons, turmeric powder 1/4 tablespoon, half a grated coconut, tamarind about 10 grams, and lastly seer fish, vanjra about half a kilo. Now let's go over the cooking method. First, wash your rice very thoroughly and soak it in drinking water for about 3 to 4 hours before you start cooking. Here is a picture of all the vegetables and the spices that we need for this curry. Let's get all our spices and vegetables in the mixer. First to go is the black pepper, followed by turmeric powder. Next to go in is the red chili powder. Next is the coriander powder. And lastly, jeera. Now let's take our vegetables. First to go in are the coriander leaves, followed by garlic, green chilies, tamarind, ginger, tomatoes, and a little bit of onion. Add half a grated coconut into the mix and about a whole glass of water and grind thoroughly. I would suggest you guys to grind this mixture for about 3 to 4 minutes, and we are looking for a very smooth and almost like a tomato puree kind of consistency. It has to be really pasty. Alright, now let's take a pan and add about 5 tablespoons of oil and let it heat up. And once it is heated up, add your curry leaves followed by your onions and mix thoroughly. You can add a bit of salt as per your requirement, probably about half a tablespoon or 1 tablespoon at the max. Let's wait for the onions to turn a little brownish before we add the masala mix to this pan. Now go ahead and add your masala and mix really well. Once you've added your masala, add about a whole glass of water and a little bit of salt as per your requirement and let it cook for about 3 to 5 minutes with the lid closed. Now you see that the curry is really cooked well, it's beginning to bubble. Now it's time to go ahead and add the fish into the curry. Drop them slowly with a lot of love and let it cook for not more than 5 to 7 minutes with the lid closed. And now you see the beautiful curry revealing itself. I just can't wait to finish my dosas and put this all on a plate and have a good meal. I want you guys to please try this recipe and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Now let's go over the ingredients that we need to prepare Neer dosa. We would need about quarter kilo rice, about half a grated coconut, and a quarter liter of water. Now let's go over the cooking method. Grab your rice, which has been soaking in water for about 3 to 4 hours now. It should be soft and ready to go grinding. Next, let's go ahead and add the grated coconut and about a whole glass of water into your grinder mixer and grind really well. We would suggest you grind it for about at least 5 to 7 minutes so that the mixture becomes really smooth. And also add a glass of water to reduce the thickness furthermore. Now let's take a pan and just follow what my mom does. It's going to be super easy, super simple, and the results are going to be great in the end. Just watch this. There you go. That's how you do it. That's how you make a Neer dosa. You have to let it fry for about a minute, one side, and about 30 seconds on the other side. Do not over fry it or it's not going to come out well. Do not over fry it. You have to fry it just enough so that it looks like this. Now it's time to go ahead and transfer a fish and dosa on a plate and have a really good meal. Looks good, doesn't it, guys? If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, give us a like and share this among your friends. And if you have any future video ideas, please put them in the comments below and we will try and accommodate them in our future videos. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you guys have an amazing day ahead. I'm going to see you guys really soon on our next video. Until then, take care, bye bye, stay safe.